The first skill is called grill me. And grill me, the skill grill me, the whole premise, the whole idea is to make sure that you and the AI align. Okay, so anytime I'm uncertain on what I think about a certain thing, or if the AI is understanding a certain thing, I use the grill me skill. And I'm going to give you a few use cases, but first I kind of just want to share where the grill me comes from. So one of the guys I follow on YouTube, great guy, Matt Pocock, he has this skill file on GitHub. I'm going to share that with you. And in this skill file, he has the grill me skill. And it is 3 small sentences. And it is just so powerful. It doesn't need to be super, super advanced. So the grill me skill basically says, interview me relentlessly about every aspect of this plan until we reach a shared understanding. Walk down each branch of the design tree, resolving dependencies between decisions one by one. For each question, provide your recommended answers. Ask the questions one at a time. If a question can be answered by exploring the database, explore the code base instead. So it is originally created to do development, do coding, right? And I do a fair bit of that. So that's kind of when I started using it, but it now has evolved. So for example, me and my business partner were considering hiring a new head of our agency. We were not really sure what kind of role it should be. We just felt that we needed some help. So we both used the grill me skill. And I think I had something like 36 questions asked. And Chris, my partner, had something like 17 because they then reached a shared understanding quicker. That really helped us to hone down what we actually want, what we actually need, what are we looking for. And both those were created as MD documents. And we then kind of compared notes and discussed and found kind of the right path, right? It can also be what's not working with our weekly reports. What kind of things are we not thinking about? Is it actually solving the problem? You can then invoke the grill me skill, and the grill me skill will actually help you get clarity. So it doesn't really have to be anything around coding or development. It can be business. It can be life. Should we go to a tent trip, or should we do a glamping trip with the family? Whatever it is. The grill me skill is just amazing. Okay, so it might sound super simple. It is just kind of 3 small sentences, but it's really, really, really powerful. So don't underestimate, and I would highly recommend you testing out the grill me skill.
AI D2C WTF is brought to you by Motion. And this episode is brought to you by Runneth from Motion.